21, question 9 be attended. Prepare bank reconciliation statement of Dharam Singh as on 29 February 2016. First, at the top page of your notebook, make this working. Cash book, passbook, bank balance, overdraft, receipts, payments, debit credit, credit debit, debit credit, credit debit. First step we have to identify is it a receipt or payment. Second step we have to identify in which book is it not recorded. So let's start with it. Be attended. See, first of all, starting point in this question is given in the last sentence. If you don't find it in the beginning, then see at the end. Starting point is given at the end. See the last sentence in the question. Passbook of Dharam Singh showed overdraft of 4,000 on 29th February 2016. Yes, help me and Sakshi, what happened? Or if you underline passbook and underline overdraft, at the end, did you all underline that? Now see here, passbook, overdraft, where will we write? Debit side. Did you understand this? So, let off bank, overdraft, as per passbook. Bank overdraft as per passbook, and in debit column 4,000. Any confusions with this? Okay, it's not given in the beginning. This information is given at the end. Where is the heading? I tell the pages, give the headings properly. Yes, now first reason we attended. Math, checks deposited but not collected 5200. Wrong. Credit. Math, checks deposited, is it a receipt or a payment? Receipt. Not collected means in which book it is not recorded? Receipt and not recorded in passbook, so we have to credit it. Yes. Did you understand this? Means it is debited in cash book when we receive the check, but not yet credited in passbook. Not collected by the bank means not yet credited in passbook, so credited in PRS. Any doubts with this? So first reason, checks deposited but not yet collected by the bank so 5200 is debited in cash book but not credited in passbook, so credited in PRS. Any doubts with this? Next, but checks drawn. What do you mean by drawn? Issued but not presented in bank 37,000. Correct, sir. Now checks issued means is it a receipt or a payment? Payment. And not presented for payment means in which book is it not recorded? Passbook. It is a payment and not recorded in passbook, so debited PRS. When we issued the check, we have credited in cash book, but it is not yet debited in passbook, so debited PRS. All of you are clear with this? So second reason, checks issued but not yet presented for payment. Okay, checks issued but not yet presented for payment. So 37,000 is credited in cash book but not debited in passbook, so debited PRS. Anyone having any doubt on this? Raise your hand, still writing up till here. Next, Vishwa. Checks received is recorded in cash book but not sent for deposit in bank 9900.
Checks are recorded but not sent for deposit. Credit, debit side 99.
Is it a receipt or a payment? Receipt. In which book it is not recorded? Passbook. It is clearly given. Received and recorded in cash book, but not sent for deposit in bank. You are not deposited only in bank means it is not recorded in passbook. It is a receipt and not recorded in passbook. Okay. Apply the steps properly. Is everyone clear with this? Okay. So it's a new reason. Checks received, but not yet deposited in the bank. Checks received but not yet deposited in the bank. So when we receive the check, 9,900 is debited in cash book but not credited in passbook, so credited in PRS. Is everyone able to understand this? Any doubts? Now, fourth one, we'll have to make the workings. Okay, checks deposited with bank is dishonored, which is not recorded in cash book 1650. For the fourth one, cash book and passbook. Tell me, first where will be recorded?
Receipt side of cash book.
Receipt side of cash book. We would have received the check, then only we will deposit with the bank. Where will it come in passbook?
Credit side.
Credit side. Now it is dishonored means reversed in passbook. It is dishonored, so passbook has in passbook it has been reversed by the bank, but it is not yet credited in cash book, so credited in DRS. Did you all understand this? So fourth reason, checks deposited and dishonored, but not recorded in cash book. So 1650 is debited in cash book, passbook, but not credited in cash book, so credited in PRS. Are you all able to understand it? Did you all do the workings? Whenever there is dishonor, I want compulsory workings, okay? Raise your hand who is still writing up till 4. Any confusions? Now look at the fifth one. Aisha, interest on investment collected by the bank 1900. Why? Is it a receipt or a payment? Pay receipt or Paytm. Is it a receipt or a payment? Collected by the bank means it's a receipt. In which book is it not recorded clearly given? No, not given clearly, understand it. Collected by the bank means it is recorded in passbook but not recorded in cash book. So you are correct, it will be debited in DRS. Okay? But it should not be a fluke, you must be able to understand that. So collected by the bank means bank has credited in passbook but it is not yet debited in cash book, so debit in DRS. Interest on investment directly collected by the bank. Interest on investment directly collected by the bank. So 1900 is credited in passbook but not yet debited in cash book, so debit in DRS. Any doubts up till here? All are able to understand how to use these steps? Okay, next. Demat charges paid by the bank 1320 as per the instruction of Dharan Singh, which is not recorded in cash book. Is it a receipt or a payment? Payment clearly given paid by the bank. In which book it is not recorded is already mentioned. Payment is not recorded in cash book. Where will we record? Credit side. So no. Is everyone clear with it? It is clearly given paid by the bank, underline that, and it is clearly given not recorded in cash book, underline that. Paid by the bank means bank has debited in passbook but not credited in cash book, so credited in BRS. Demat charges directly paid by the bank. Okay, demat charges directly paid by the bank. So 1320 is debited in passbook but not yet credited in cash book, credited in DRS. Any confusion still here? Next. Now this I'll discuss it and explain it. Very important. 7th. Cash purchases recorded on payment side of cash book in bank column. Now this is a rectification. It has nothing to do with passbook. First of all, it is a cash purchase. Cash purchase means you have paid the money in cash. Are you all clear with this? Now we always talk about cash books. Which column in this chapter? Bank column. If you have made cash purchase, paid the money in cash, will it come in passbook? Yes or no? No effect in passbook because it is paid in cash. Okay, since it is paid in cash, it will have no effect in passbook. But in cash book, we have recorded by mistake. We are considering which column? Read it. It is given that it is recorded on payment side of cash book in and then bank column 8300. Means we have credited in cash book and we should not have credited that. Now it is a reason of difference. Finally, if you have credited in bank column, will the closing balance of cash book differ from passbook or not? So basically 8300 is credited in cash book but not debited in passbook. So you will debit in BRS. It is a reason of difference. Did you understand this portion, everyone? Show this workings for 7th. Here no effect should come, but from reasons point of view, it is credited in cash books bank column and it is not debited in passbook. So closing balance will definitely differ. So it is a reason of difference and we have to include it. Any doubts with this? Okay, 8300 is credited in cash book but not debited in passbook. So debit in BRS. Anyone who is not clear with this 7th market important? So reason will be cash purchases wrongly recorded in bank column in cash book. So 8300 is credited in cash book but not debited in passbook, so debit in BRS. Any doubts with this? All are clear with it? Raise your hand who is still writing the 7th one. All are completed? Look at the 8th. Check drawn but not given to creditor 4160. Kritika?
Check drawn but not yet given to creditor and it is on debit side.
Yes. Check drawn means is it a receipt or a payment? Payment, it's issued. And not given to creditor means no chances of recording in passbook. Okay, so it's a payment and not recorded in passbook, so we will debit in BRS. We have drawn and given to the creditor, so we have credited in. We have drawn and issued, so we have credited in cash book. But it is not given only to the creditor, so not yet debited in passbook. I told you earlier also, we have written the name on the check, we have recorded in cash book, but we only forgot to give it to creditors. Did you understand it? So 8th reason, checks drawn but not yet given to the creditor. Checks drawn but not yet given to the creditors. 4160 is credited in cash book but not debited in passbook, so debit in BRS. Any doubts up till here? Okay, next Sakshi. Checks drawn by Dharam Singh from his personal account, debited by bank in business account 3340. No, credit. Be attentive. Put your pens down for the ninth one. Cash book and passbook. First of all, we always make BRS and cash book and passbook for current account, means for business. We always make it for business. Now see what is given here. Mark it important line also. Check drawn by Dharam Singh from his personal account. Personal account, if you are giving the check to someone, will you record it in cash book? No. So if I am giving check to someone from my personal account, which is in the name of Vijay Verma only, will I record it in UL's cash book? No. If I give check to someone from UL's account, business account, then only I record it in UL cash book. Here check was given or drawn from which account? What is going on? Here check was given from which account? Personal account. So is it going to be recorded in business cash book? No. But debited by bank in business bank account. Okay, impractical mistake. Bank never does this mistake. Only in your textbooks such mistakes are possible. If I give check to someone from Vijay Verma's account, why will bank debit in UL's account? Bank is not looking at my face and saying, you will. Bank always sees on the check at the bottom, account number is mentioned, signature is there, name is there. So bank always debits in that account only. This mistake never happens. In school exams it can happen. So, but what bank has done by mistake, they have debited in passbook, business passbook. What amount they have debited? What is the amount? 3340. So bank has debited this in business passbook, but it is not yet credited in cash book, so credited in BRS. Okay, the mistake is done by the bank. We gave it from personal account, but bank has debited that in current account, business passbook. Okay, we have given from personal account, so we have not recorded in cash book. So it is debited in passbook, but not yet credited in cash book, so credited in BRS. Mark this also important, show that workings. All of you understood the reason for this? But practically this reason never comes in our BRS. Okay, because banks never do such mistake. So, ninth reason will be check issued from personal account debited by the bank in business passbook. So 3340 is debited in passbook but not credited in cash book, so credited in BRS. Any doubts in this? All have done it? Raise your hand who is still writing. Next one. Payment side of bank column in cash book is overcast. Opposite side. How we first underline? Payment side of cash book. Which side is that? Right above that credit. Right? Underline overcast. Opposite means where will you write? Right above that debit. So we will write it on debit side. Okay. Undercast means same side. Overcast means opposite side. So overcasting on the payment side of cash book. Overcasting on the payment side of cash book, that is credit side of cash book. So opposite side we will write it on debit side 1180. Any confusions with this? Raise your hand is still writing it. Now check drawn. Drawn means issued. We have done this yesterday also. 6400 dishonored on technical grounds, and dishonor of check is not recorded in cash book. But now, how will we do it? This is a different dishonor. First of all, tell me, check is drawn, issued. So where will you record it in cash book? Payment side. Where will it come in passbook? Debit side. Now it is dishonored, so what will bank do? Reverse and write it in passbook on credit side. But it is not recorded in cash book. It is not debited in cash book, so debit in DRS. Opposite. This dishonor is different, this dishonor is different. Difference is, here we received the check and it is dishonored. Here we have given the check and it is dishonored. Okay, show this workings. Is everyone clear with the difference? Raise your hand who is not clear with difference in 4 and 11. All are clear? So here the reason will come checks issued and dishonored. Okay, checks issued and dishonored, but not recorded in cash book. So 6400 is credited in passbook but not debited in cash book, so debit in DRS. Any doubts in this? All are clear with it? Raise your hand, we are still writing it. Now 12th will have two reasons. Interest and credited. Do you need to use the workings? No. Interest credited by the bank 1240 and commission online debited by the bank 1160 not recorded in cash book. So interest is credited in passbook but not debited in cash book, so debit in DRS. Interest directly credited by the bank interest directly credited by the bank. So 1240 is credited in passbook but not debited in cash book, so debit in DRS. And also commission is debited in passbook but not credited in cash book, so credit in DRS. Commission directly debited by the bank so 1160 is debited in passbook but not yet credited in cash book, so credit in DRS. Any doubts with this? Now which side total looks more? 37,000 means obviously debit side. So 37, 41, 42, 50, 54, 55, 61, 62, 63, 200, 300, 400, 800, 64,000 and 180. 64,180. Write it on both the sides, all of you. Any doubts with this? And 64,180 minus 5, 14, 15, 16, 19, 2, 20,100, 700, 21,000. 21,400. 41? 610. Now we started with passbook, so we'll end with cash book. Which side do we get the answer? Credit. See here, cash books credit. What will we call it as? Overdraft. So bank overdraft as per cash book. Is every one of you clear with this? Any doubts in it?